Tommy, cooking up some nail talk for us, huh?
I thought we'd nail it today.
Oh, brother, here we go.
We got all kinds of nails. Most nails have the same anatomy, a head, a shank, and a wedge-shaped point.
Right. And I guess every nail's got those three components. It's just a question of what type of head, what type of shank, what type of tip.
Exactly. Like right here, we have a flat head with a smooth shank. We have one with a corrugated or waffled head, and a little bit of a waffled head with that one right there.
What's the waffle doing for us?
The waffle is keeping the head of the hammer from sliding off of the nail. Now this nail has a plastic coating on it, and it can be slippery. So you want the hammer, again, to stick to the nail as it hits that one little contact.
Okay.
So then you have a trim nail right here, or finish nail. I don't like to use these nails outside because there's too much movement of the wood. So I always want to use a common or a flathead nail for that and set it in and then fill it.
Yeah, I mean, it's got a much smaller head by design because unlike the flatheads, which are designed to sit at the surface, you're going to overdrive this so it sits below the surface.
Right, and you want to overdrive it with a nail set that fits the nail head.
Because there's a very small depression in the top of that.
You hit it with a hammer, it doesn't slide off.
All right. Duplex?
Duplex, all right, used a lot in framing and also in form work, like concrete forms, because you're nailing a nail in that's going to be temporarily holding something that's going to be pulled apart easily. So you drive the first head down flush to the surface, but you have something that's sticking up, so you can grab the hammer or a bar to pull the nail out so you can save the material and use it later.
Super handy if you know you're pulling them out.
Yep.
So different heads, now we've got different shanks.
Yep, you got a smooth shank on a common nail right here, and then a ring or cup shank, and this one here is a spiral shank. It twists when the nail goes in.
So most typical situations, smooth shank is perfectly fine, but little extra holding power, those rings do quite a bit for us.
Plasterers would use them for a while, are also putting a subfloor down on top of a rough floor to like an underlayment.
Yeah.
And you're not going into structure. You're going from a 1/4 inch into 3/4 inch flooring. It's not going to grab anything except that. It goes into the fibers, bends it, and all those fibers just go into the, snap into the cup a little bit, and it really holds it well.
Okay.
And this one here is a spiral shank where you're going to drive something down into the framing structure, and it's really going to hold. It's going to screw itself in every time you hit it.
You got a subfloor that's been secured with that thing. Man, those are a bear to get out.
They are tough to get out. They're even tough just to get started with a cat's paw to get them up, and then you got to pull them. Lots of times you break the head off.
Yeah. All right. Well, appreciate it. Good information.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Tommy. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.